Municipal bonds produce tax-free income and generally are pretty stable. Muni-bond funds are well diversified, so the rare default isn't likely to harm those well-run muni funds. However, a lot of muni issuance is long maturity, so there is significant interest rate risk. Check a fund's 2022 losses and you'll get a practical idea of the real downside of these funds. Today I've picked 3 muni funds with different levels of interest rate risk to give you some idea. We'll go from lowest to highest. Rowe Price Tax-Free Short-Intermediate has only modest levels of interest rate risk. Charlie Hill builds a well-diversified portfolio to produce a decent yield. Rowe has built a strong team on the muni side, and this fund slots in nicely at the lower risk end of the spectrum. Vanguard Intermediate Term Tax-Exempt is just the sort of straightforward bond fund you'd expect from Vanguard. It's super cheap, well run, and it avoids doing anything risky just to pump up yield. The silver-rated fund owns a diffuse, high-quality portfolio that performs consistently well. Gold-rated Fidelity tax-free bond is one of the best funds in the muni long category. It absolutely has interest rate risk, but its trio of managers are very good at selecting good issues for a solid risk-reward profile. Fidelity's MO is really to avoid making big macro bets and instead focus on issue selection. It's an approach that has worked well, and I own this fund.